My name is Greg Wickham. I am the owner of Wickham's Workbench. Well, I got started in this company when my dad suggested that we go into business together.
Wickham's Workbench has been in business since 2000. I started the business because I'd always kind of been a handy person.
We have served this community for over 20 years. My family and I are all born and raised here in Colorado Springs, so we're locals.
It's now basically a three-generation company.
I'm head of design and development, and my job is to bring your ideas to life. I work with my dad and my uncle Jay Wickham. He's the production manager.
My job is to take on your project and make sure that it runs smoothly and easily from start to finish.
We here at Wickham's Workbench do projects of all shapes and sizes.
Whether you have a kitchen that needs to be remodeled or a house that needs to be built from the ground up, we take on projects of all sizes.
My favorite part about this job is probably getting to see the jobs go from the design and development phase, which is where we're putting pen on paper, and then getting it to the point where the project's actually finished and we get to see what moved from ideas to paper to an actual physical product.
We want to please and satisfy the customers.
My core values, and therefore our company core values, really boil down to honesty and integrity. What we say to the customer is important because we want that to translate directly into what we do.
And to do it to the best degree that we could possibly accomplish whatever task it might be.
Well, our company, I believe, stands out from our competition. One of the main reasons is that we're your neighbors. We are local, and that keeps us on a level of accountability that we need to be as your contractor.
We're very happy with the home that Wickham's Workbench built for us.
The thing we like most is that they listen to what we want, and they do it the way we want it done.
We want to make sure that the projects are done on time, on budget, and honestly just done right.
One thing I'm really proud about with our company is that we ensure that we do the job correctly and make sure that the customer's happy by the end of the project.
Thank you for watching our video. If you're looking at moving forward with a project,
We take on jobs of all shapes and sizes.
If you're not sure where to start, please give us a call.